Welcome to Drops on Airlight. So today we bring you the top 10 NFTs that you have to claim in Monad Testnet. Okay, please, if today is your first time joining us, please you do well to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Of course, we have done so many videos in Monad Testnet, so this is just a continuation of the videos that we have done so far. Now quickly we'll be diving into this top NFTs that you have to claim in Monad Testnet. Now the first one you have to claim here is this early Testnet Monad. Okay, now for you to have access to this particular one, the links will be there down in the description. So once you just click on it, you have to get to this particular page. Now once you get to this place, this Magic Kingdom, ensure that you connect your wallets and then ensure that this thing is in Monad Testnet. Of course, there are so many ecosystems here, but ensure that it's in Monad Testnet. Now once you get to this place, now this is the NFT you have to claim, the early Testnet Monad. This one is free for you to claim. Okay, just claim the means the NFT quickly. Okay, and then you have 12 days for you to do this, so you have to do this as quick as possible. Now the next NFT you have to mint is this Monadverse, but for now this one have ended, so now we leave this one. Now the next one you have to claim is this the Max NFT. So now once you just come here, connect your wallet and then claim. This one is still live. Okay, all you just need to do this one, you need at least 0.1 moon token. So once you just come over here, ensure that you claim this one quick as possible. Now the next one you have to claim here is this monkey NFT. Okay, now to do this one, you have a few tasks you have to complete here. So once you complete these tasks, you'll be able to claim this particular one, but this one costs 0.05 moon token. But ensure that you also have Ethereum in your wallet as well too. That's one of the criteria for claiming this one as well too. So once you do this, complete these tasks and also claim this one. Now the next one here is this Nexo Monadian NFT. Okay, now this one is free to claim. As you can see, it's free to claim. Okay, now so once you come over here, ensure you connect your wallets and then you also do these few tasks and then mint this particular one. That's the next one to claim. Now next one we have here is the Monad King. Okay, so connect your wallets here as well too and then ensure you mint this one. So this one is free for you to mint. Okay, so once you come over here, connect your account and mint. Now the next one we have here is the Onion on Monad. So this one is also free for you to mint. Okay, so once you come over here, connect your wallet. All these links I'm going to leave it down in the description. So once you just come over, ensure you just click on this link and ensure you mint these NFTs. They have limited time for you to do it, so once you see this video, just do it as quick as possible. Okay, and the last one we have here is this layer 3 NFTs. Now this layer 3, they have so many quests here that you have to engage, and some of these ones they are some of these ecosystems, they are they are active in Monad itself. Now like here we have the Magic Kingdom, we have the Accountable, we have the time swap, all these things. So we just come over here, participate in this quest, complete this quest for you to have access to these NFTs. Okay, so now that's all for the NFTs you have to claim. Please ensure that you claim all these NFTs. Before you have moon tokens, you can be able to claim all these things. So we just do it as quick as possible. So now thank you all for joining us for this one. Thank you.